Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Coin Lady. From the moment it was introduced, XRP has been the darling of the cryptocurrency community. Ripple's native coin XRP is designed to make the payment network a viable alternative to SWIFT for cross-border payments. There have been some difficulties with the project. Towards the end of 2020, the SEC launched a case against Ripple for offering and selling unregistered securities in the form of XRP. Because of this, it has been removed from major cryptocurrency exchanges, seen a precipitous decline in price, and is expected to see a relatively quiet 2021 compared to other popular coins. In the meantime, the value of Bitcoin, Ether, and many other cryptocurrencies has reached record highs. In 2018, XRP is expected to attain an all-time high. This low price of XRP was last seen 6 years ago, when it could be purchased for just more than half a cent. You may expect to make about $173 on a purchase of $1,000. Right now, one XRP can be purchased for 40 cents. That huge rise means that your prior $1,000 is now worth over $147,000. This increase of almost 14,000% demonstrates the potential for financial success when investing in the appropriate cryptocurrency. Knowing when to purchase and sell can be difficult, as the XRP price history shows. In 2014, only a few years after the introduction of XRP, MIT researchers named Ripple Labs one of the 50 smartest firms in the world. To put it simply, MIT is a top-tier private research institution. As time has progressed, more and more financial institutions have expressed curiosity about integrating Ripple's payment system into their operations. In 2019, 5 years after Ripple's founding, its technology has been implemented by over 200 financial institutions. The cutting-edge blockchain is used by over 300 suppliers across 40 countries and 6 continents. In addition to RippleNet and American Express and Santander, early adopters of Ripple included the Spanish and American remittance service provider MoneyGram and the American money transfer company MoneyGram. Further, it has been speculated that Visa and Western Union would soon be joining the Ripple network. Experts in finance and cryptocurrency agree that Ripple has the potential to displace SWIFT as the most reliable, widely adopted, and widely used worldwide payment network. This is the original intention of the Ripple creators. During an interview with the year 2020, Ripple co-founder Chris Larsen offered his thoughts. In the cryptocurrency industry, Ripple is among the most popular alternative currencies. As the economy improves, more people will begin using Ripple. Multiple times, Ripple's XRP token was the second most valuable cryptocurrency in the market. Unless you've been hiding for the past 5 years, you're probably aware that Ripple has made some investors very wealthy. Is a long-term investment in XRP something you're considering? Would you invest in Ripple and hold onto it for a decade? As a result, you'll need to know as much as possible so that you can make a decision you won't come to regret. To that end, it is a great time to invest in XRP and become wealthy. Financial resources from all across the world have been put into digital assets. Many people have become wealthy through Ripple trading. There is a lot of proof that purchasing Ripple can lead to financial success. This movie provides information to aid in your decision-making. XRP to say that Ripple has progressed is an understatement. As such, it is also among the most significant digital currencies. There is no slowdown in sight for the rate at which more than 200 banks are using Ripple's technology. Now appears to be a great time to invest in Ripple. In the cryptocurrency market, Ripple has quickly risen to prominence as one of the most talked about options. Incredible growth was seen in 2021, yet there was no associated price increase. Ripple is ahead of the competition in terms of industry adoption because it was one of the first cryptocurrencies to be accepted by major banks and financial organizations. Unlike any other significant cryptocurrency, it makes extensive use of fiat crypto synergy. More than 100 financial institutions throughout the world have adopted it. This includes BBVA, Axis Bank, MUF, SEB, etc., which are all household names in their respective industries. Money, data, and digital currency may all be transferred back and forth using the Ripple Transaction Protocol XRP. In comparison to traditional financial institutions, Ripple's transaction protocol can conduct cross-border payments of massive amounts for extremely cheap fees. Since hitting bottom on March 23, 2020, XRP USD has greatly outperformed the stock market. With its Ripple network and XRP cryptocurrency, Ripple promotes decentralized payment systems. Payments made across international borders are the primary emphasis of Ripple and its native cryptocurrency, XRP. Ripple is trusted by cryptocurrency professionals. The popular Ethereum network ETH/USD is focused on decentralized finance. There are hints that the platform will become more accepted, and the currencies might become much more valuable, and substantial investment is always within reach of everybody. The moment to buy XRP is now. An investment scientist, or crypto analyst, has calculated how much money can be made by investing $1,000 in XRP. To begin, at the current price of 3 and 2, you will receive 3,025 XRP for the sum of $1,000. What exactly are you staring at? The process is not difficult in any way. Actually, it couldn't be easier. If you focus on us, you'll know where to go. In this region, the preceding cycle's pricing lingered for roughly 728 days. Long-term buyers and sellers alike tend to congregate here. Merchants dealing in XRP. We have now supported this range for 1,890 days straight. We are up 50 times from the bottom of a consolidation or consolidation range to the finish, so this much is apparent despite the fact that we have been consolidating here for a long time and are not at all-time highs. When added together, the total is 50 times greater. The equivalent of 690 times 69,000% has been reached if you take the average in the direction of the all-time high. If you base your assumption on the total variation over the last cycle, you will find that. Now, if we assume we are at a 0.28.33 level, we can calculate the low of this cycle, which is 193, by deducting 0.28 from the low of $690. A successful trade of that many units for XRP would now net you $600,000, a sizable profit. The current supply exceeds that of the previous cycle. A lot of information may be gleaned from the market, but is it too much to invest 10%? The Ripple network and its native cryptocurrency, XRP, make it easy for anybody to send and receive payments. Compared to Ripple and XRP, which are more concerned with international business transactions, why does the popular Ethereum network prioritize decentralized financial operations? The key factor influencing the price of XRP in 2020 will be the significant government stimulus expenditure to support the economy in the face of the COVID-19 outbreak. Investors fearing hyperinflation have rushed to cryptocurrencies, and the government has spent almost $6 trillion since the outbreak. The value of one XRP was equal to 19.2 cents. When news of the virus's spread in China sparked pandemic worries in the United States, the global stock market dropped on March 13, 2020, and XRP's value plummeted to a pandemic low of 11.5 cents. This was in early 2020, when the cryptocurrency's value had risen to 23.1 cents. After the stock market stabilized and the government began producing money again, XRP immediately recovered, which is good news for investors. On January 19, 2021, Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, wrote, "In retrospect, it was inevitable," after he added Bitcoin to his Twitter bio. Following Musk's tweet, the value of cryptocurrencies generally and XRP in particular skyrocketed. The price of XRP reached a new multi-year high of $1,965 in April 2021, but it has since fallen sharply. Those who invested in XRP a year ago and are still holding onto it have seen substantial returns on their investment. Assuming you invest $1,000 in XRP on June 1, 2020, you will have $5,031. Look at the trillions of dollars spent in international financial transactions and the introduction of the blockchain technology known as Ripple, which is predicted to capture the vast majority of these transactions. Transactional markets tremble at the prospect of a multi-trillion-dollar industry. With just $39 billion of XRP in circulation, the equivalent of such a high number of dollars can only be discounted if each Ripple currency is equal to the dividend. If we split 60 trillion by $39 billion in XRP, then each ripple is valued between $1,500 and nothing. For the next 2 to 3 years, we anticipate a value of this amount. With 1,000 Ripple coins, your network might be valued over $1.5 million. You have to admit it's really big. To be alerted immediately whenever a video is published on XRP News, please remember to hit the subscribe and notify buttons. You may see our other XRP history videos. In the meantime, you may catch us in the video below. See you later, bye.